John, welcome back. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the input field with a type of password. And in my previous video, if you haven't watched yet, you can go there and watch again where we talk about input field with the type of password and why you should put the type to be equals to email and the importance of doing so. So here in this video, we are going to be talking about the input field with the type of password, and you can definitely see the differences between adding a password, adding the type to be equals to password, or adding the type to be equals to anything else. So now I would definitely want to add another input field without removing this. The first one was going to be perfect for our own example, but I'm going to be specifically changing this to be equals to a password. The type should be equals to password, and then maybe probably adding a placeholder to be equals to enter your password. So perfect. So let's see what happens inside the browser now. Let me copy part after saving Ctrl S and copy part, and then definitely go to my browser, paste this, and we have the input field of email, which you understand what it does. You definitely want to add something at gmail.com or at yahoo.com or anything.com. But inside in here, when I start typing, you can see what happens. Do you see what happens exactly? Let me increase the screen width so you are going to be seeing it a lot. So you see now, as I start typing here, we are not seeing what is inside there. All the text I printed appears in the form of dot because we definitely specify in the HTML file here that the type of this input should be password. And as you all know, passwords are not visible to everyone. You don't want people to be seeing what you are inputting there. Maybe someone is there behind you just peeping to see your password, but unfortunately, the type of this input is password, and only thing the person can see is your hand movement and this dot, and that's why you should be adding the type to the equals to password. Same thing goes to the email type. When you are putting email, you definitely want to specify that this is an email. So the person who is going to be using your website, let me say the user of your website or your client specifically, is going to enter a valid email address in here. If you really like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.